It would be one of the most complex machines ever built. It would take 10,000 people and nearly 5 years to build it. It would cost an estimated $5 billion. Success was anything but certain.
Stop and drop.
The plane would contain more than 4 million parts, supplied by contractors around the world. But would they arrive on time?
Miss your first commitment and then things start to go wrong.
And would they work?
From a technical point of view, I would not put this back on the airplane if I had a choice.
Nothing could be left to chance. This would be the most tested airliner in aviation history. Eventually, lives would be at stake.
There's an apprehension anytime you change technology.
To make it all work, the company would reinvent itself from the inside out. And all of this would have to happen at a time when the world's airline industry was in recession. If the 777 were to fail, the company's future was at risk. Success would keep Boeing ahead of the competition for decades to come. This plane would be built to set a new standard for commercial aviation. This is the story of the building of a 21st century jet.